What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change firing mode to semi-auto or full auto in Battlefield 6. So first of all, if you are playing on keyboard, then we just have to press B key on our keyboard. So if you press it once, then on the bottom right side you can see the icon of the bullet has been changed to single. So if I fire here, then you can see it is firing on single mode. And to change it to full auto, then we have to press B key again, and then if I fire here, then you can see multiple bullets are fired now. And in case you are playing on your controller, then we have to firstly aim by holding L2 on PlayStation or LT on Xbox, and then press the D-pad down, and then your firing mode will be changed to single. If you press the D-pad down again, then the firing mode will be changed to multiple, like so. So we just have to aim first on controller, and then we'll be able to change the firing mode like so. If you are playing on keyboard, then we don't have to aim, we can just change the fire mode by pressing B key on our keyboard. In case you wanna change the keys, then firstly press escape key or the menu key on your controller, then go to options. Under it, if you are playing on your controller, then select controller option from here, then press Y or triangle to edit settings. After that, go to infantry/passenger controller mapping. So we have to scroll down here until we reach the weapons and equipment section. Scroll down and then you will be able to find this fire mode option. So as you can see, this is currently set to D-pad down. You can change it to whatever you want. If you are playing on your keyboard and you want to change the button, then firstly go back from here and select mouse and keyboard this time. Under it, choose infantry/passenger keybinds. Under it, again scroll down to the bottom until you reach weapon section, and from here you can change your button from B to whatever you want. So this is the process to change your firing mode in Battlefield 6. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.